a printer. So if you guys are wondering, we got another printer. So this is not like our actual computer that we printer that we actually use. But yeah. So first of all, here. The whole thing comes out like that and it opens up like that. And it has like all the ink stuff where you put the ink in there and you just take that out. And then that out. Paper. That's glass, okay. I'm not gonna break that. Ooh, there's still ink in here. Oh, okay. Get the ink out. Like this and just hammer it. So do not try this at home. Or you cannot, or you could just hurt yourself. Like, I'm not wearing eye protection, that's stupid. But I could just do this and hit it, and I'm safe. So yeah, always wear eye protection. This is hard. We don't listen to instructions. Yeah! Talk about that, man. That's my new lap desk right in there. This is my new lap desk. It's too close. Ooh. I want that. You don't want that? I cannot even. Oh, these are the gears. These are the gears. Oh my gosh. My hands are all inky. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I got the towel. I got a towel right here so that the ink doesn't fall on the ground, and then it will just save that permanent right there. So I'm making smart decisions. If you guys are breaking open something that involves ink that's inside it, I would totally recommend getting a towel. Just put it underneath this one, that if it gets on the towel, you can just throw away the towel. And you can just throw away the towel and then you can replace it. But yeah, it would be pretty great. Bad if you don't put it on there. And my hands are all inky. It was covered. That's it. I stopped for a minute. And then yeah. So far this is all the stuff we got. We got like scraps and garbage. I can show you it after. I need eye protection. I really should have removed the ink from this. Ooh, we don't have any saw blades. Over there. This is gonna be a big mess to clean up. This is why you guys do not share this at home. And I don't have any. I just want to make sure I don't hit the ink in that type sweat on all the ink. I need to move the ink. Okay, all we got is this. Ow, that hurt. I got ink on my hands again. I'll be right back again. Okay guys, so we got off this. I could use this for a lap desk. My computer, you know, yeah, I don't want this lap desk anymore. But it was a great lap desk. I believe this was indestructible. Well, to my eyes it wasn't. Maybe to your eyes it was. Well, you can see how the bottom part, I was trying to avoid the ink. But then I was getting too happy and I started hitting the ink. But yeah, this is a disaster. Here, I'll show you guys the mess. I got ink all over me. I got ink right there, but that's fine. That's not usually that much. Okay, so right here, we got the mess right here. We got that scrap mess. That this is a roller thing. You can probably use these for roller blades to go. Whoa! Yeah. And then this is glass. We don't want to break that. And then over here we got the area or the things where the buttons go. I forgot about that part, but I did the inside of it pretty good. And then over here I got my lap desk, which I don't need anymore. No more. And it can be used for a little board. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Hi. So we're gonna try to clean up the mess. Yeah, we made a YouTube video. We made a YouTube video.
I can't aim it. Why? I'm a bad camera aim. Oh, it is. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm bad. It's right though.
Help me, Jake.
Okay. You just broke the glass.
Let me show you guys this.
I broke the glass.
Okay, that was okay.
This is behind the scenes.
Now I'm gonna actually clean up, so you gotta make sure there's no glass on the floor. So here's the little outro. See you guys.